Welcome to PraxiLabs. Let us take you on a quick tour so you can get started with confidence. On the left side of your screen, you'll find your main menu. It has 4 sections, and we'll walk through each one. Simple. Let's start with your account. See your name in the top right corner? Click on it. A small menu appears with 3 options. My Profile, where you can update your name, email, and personal details. Change Password to keep your account secure. Just enter your current password, type a new one, confirm it, and save. And Subscription and Billing, where you can check your plan details, see how many experiments you've used, your billing dates, and renew your plan when needed. Click on Lab Catalog in the menu. Here you can browse all 201 virtual labs across physics, chemistry, and biology. Use the Select a Branch drop-down, then choose a subdiscipline to narrow it down, or just type what you're looking for in the search bar.
When you find a lab you want in the catalog, simply check the box that says Add to My Plan right below the lab. A pop-up message appears saying, "Yay, you're on the right track," reminding you to click the Add to Plan button at the top bar once you've selected all your labs. Done selecting labs? Look at the top bar to see how many labs you selected. Click Add to Plan, your current plan will appear, select it, and click Add. That's your final step to confirm your selection.
Once you've added your labs, click on My Plan in the sidebar. Here you'll see all the labs you've selected, organized by subject: biology, chemistry, and physics. Just click Start Now on any lab to jump straight in, or check your progress report to see how you're doing. Your labs are ready and waiting. Click on Notifications to stay updated. Here you'll find announcements about new labs, blog posts, and PraxiLabs updates. Never miss anything new. Finally, Saved Labs is your personal favorites list. When you find a lab you love in the catalog, save it here for quick access anytime. It's organized for you by biology, chemistry, and physics. And that's it. You're all set. Your profile is ready, your account is secure, and 200+ virtual labs are waiting for you. Click on any lab, hit Start Now, and begin your science journey.